Hey guys, Scott Anderson here with another video. Today I'm really excited to share this how to do affiliate marketing for free. Guys, I'm literally going to share with you the blueprint of how to find products, how to create an awesome offer, and then to put it on a platform that gets lots of traffic, which gives you more clicks, more sales. Guys, so I'm literally going to share with you everything in the laptop. So I will see you inside. Yo, okay guys, here we are on the laptop. I'm going to try to make this quick and just get to the point, to the chase. One of the things I just want to do is do all of this right from my laptop all at once. You can see how long it takes me to do it step by step right now to simplify it for you guys, okay? So follow along this whole video. If you need to pause and rewind, go back, you definitely should. Take notes, okay guys? First of all, before I dive right into this, I want to give credit to two people. Number one, Ben Arkell with Passive Automation. Check out his channel. He's kind of helped me with a lot of this stuff, so he's awesome. And then also Jonathan Montoya. He's really given me those action steps of how to implement the strategy. Okay, they both motivated me to do this video. Okay, so here we are. I'm on ClickBank.com. I choose this because this is where a lot of digital offers exist, and it's very reputable. All right, so here we are, clickbank.com. I'm going to go to e-business and e-marketing. All right, so right here, this is in popularity, I think. Yeah, popularity, sorts in popularity. It looks like this 100K shout out, average sales, you can make $741, guys. Super passive audit or super affiliate system by John Crestani. He's a stud. Let's see. I think I just want to make this find something really simple, kind of a more low ticket offer. So this 12-minute affiliate system. Here we go. Gravity is essentially like how many entrepreneurs have been promoting this. I think in the last 30 days. Average sell is 39% of that. So initial sell is $11. So just kind of like a small type of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and start promoting this. So I'm going to go ahead and click on promote right here. That's literally the link. So you want to learn about this. So let's click on this here for a second. So I would suggest like learning as much as you can about these offers, but this is like where someone would go to after they click on the link, your link. Oh, it's not giving me the audio because I've plugged into my mic, but it gives a video here. If you can order a pizza, you can make money with this system. So it's kind of like trying to say, hey, you can do this, you can create offers, do things in 12 minutes. Now, it would be ideal to get a ClickFunnels account. That way you're capturing your emails. That's something that really is valuable to building a business, not just making money, but a business, because then you have that entity. We can email them and contact that person anytime. And if you know they're interested in an affiliate marketing system that takes 12 minutes, then you know that they're interested in other affiliate marketing products, so you can email them and contact them and sell other things, not just today or tomorrow, but for days and months and years to come. So I would highly suggest doing that. You can get a ClickFunnels account for free for 14 days. So that's something you could literally try this strategy I'm teaching you right now. Get the ClickFunnels account for 14 days and try that. But I'm literally just trying to simplify this video to finding the product, which we already did, and then go on to creating an offer and then publishing it on social media. Okay, let's go to Canva. Okay, now you need to figure out where you want this offer to live. This video is specifically to teach you about Pinterest. Okay, why do I talk about Pinterest? Well, let's go here real fast to my feed. And guys, Pinterest is new to me. it hasn't even been a week yet, and it's saying that I already have 1.3, so a little over 1,000 monthly viewers on average. And guys, that's just going to continue to grow. I already have 900 people following me, and I'm going to show you the strategies of how to do that. But guys, this is where a lot of bloggers, see 910 people following me. But guys, this is where a lot of bloggers get lots of traffic, and it's almost like they promote and help each other, but lots of people just go and they're searching things on Google and come across Pinterest, and then they find stuff. So here is an example of Pinterest. So let's see, how starting a blog changed my life. Okay, well, that's cool. Like, here's this wave, here's this Jeep. I like Jeeps, so that's why it's in my feed. 7 of the best free YouTube tools. Okay, that's interesting to me. Like, I do YouTube. I'm doing YouTube right now. Like, I want to know what these tools are. So then I click on this, and I'm interested. So then I click on that, and it takes me right to the page. And I could read all about this, and you know, if they're selling me something, I could buy it. Like right now, okay, this is an affiliate marketing, a marketer being an affiliate for TubeBuddy, and then just all this other stuff, like literally 7 products he's being an affiliate for. Canva, you can be an affiliate for. vidIQ. So guys, this is all like, this is affiliate marketing at its finest. So this guy was like, hey, learn about tools. So it's just totally being helpful, just valuable stuff. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, so this is the eye-catching thing that caught my attention, that got the click, got the view, and sure enough, if I were to go on any one of those suggestions there and become a member and subscribe and start paying, then this guy right here is going to get a commission. So really cool. This guy has 10.7 followers. I'll see what his reach is. So he's getting 432,000 monthly views. What the heck? Guarantee this guy is making some great money on that simple pin. I'm going to show you literally step by step of how to do that. So let's model our pin off of this. It's super easy, very simple. Okay, so we are going to go to Canva. I suggest Canva because they already have Pinterest templates dialed in for you. So you look, Pinterest graphic. This is, by the way, Canva is completely free. You can do a paid subscription, but I suggest doing it completely free. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you. Let's choose one of these. Let's do this one right here. I like this. Okay, I'm going to see if I can delete that top thing there. I don't really want that. Just want the text, kind of the picture. So I want to delete this. Hey guys, I'm editing the video right here, and I realized that I took way too long with designing this pin, so I'm going to speed this up. I'm going to do it fast so you can see how I am doing it, but then I'm going to get to the next thing, which is talking about Pinterest. So here we go. Okay, I'm going to do some voiceover to show you what I'm doing here. So what I did is I went to the website and looked at some of the verbiage and what it had to offer. And so I put on there, well, it needs to be 12-minute affiliate system, put the title. Then I went back to it. I'm like, oh, okay, you need to add $78 to $900 per day is how much you can earn. Here I go. I'm changing the text a little bit. 12-minute affiliate system for complete newbies are earning $78 to $922 per day. I like that it's specific. So then I'm trying to figure out here at the bottom of like some sort of button. So I thought about doing check it out, and then like, oh, let's just do learn more. And so I'm changing the fonts and trying to dial that down. I'm going to add a shadow here in just a minute. Yeah, right here. And I kind of just kept it simple, just like that. I think I changed, add like a little brush thing there to make it look congruent, change the colors to blue background, and and then let's now chat about Pinterest. And we're going to download this. We're gonna go, it's page 3, done, download. And I'm gonna go to Pinterest, and I'm going to show you guys how to create a pin. So we're gonna go create pin. We're gonna add your title. Let's do something like affiliate marketing for beginners. Earn. Let's see. I don't know, something like that. Make money today. Okay, that's good. So now we're literally just gonna put this right in there, done, and tell everybody what this is about. So this is the title. So I need to say like, check out this new, I think we should do like, this program shows marketing, build your list, and I'll just put and more. You know, you could go back to the listing there and just add all the values and all that stuff. And then you want to do hashtags, so let's do affiliate marketing. That way it's searchable and find, people are able to find it. See, affiliate marketing, make money online, do 12-minute affiliate. Okay, so then we go back to our link. There it is, promote. Tracking, so you can do tracking here. I'm going to put Pinterest. Generate links. Why do you want to do Pinterest? So that way you just know where the traffic came from. You could do Pinterest 1 for the first pin or whatever. So you're back on here, destination link right there, okay? Guys, this is how to get started the simple way. You can make money doing it this simple. So I'm going to publish this. You do need to select which board you want to put on. So I'm going to put it on, let's do affiliate marketing right there. So it's literally publishing right there. So guys, this is how you can make money from, oh, I don't want to promote the pin. You can promote it, pay money, have the ads go to it. So that's another way to monetize. But let's go back to my profile, make sure that it's on there. There it is, guys. So people can literally click on this, find it, click on it, brings it to this. If they sign up, I get money in my pocket. I literally set up an offer just like that, okay? Guys, this is how to do affiliate marketing. There is a better way. There definitely is a better way. And Ben Arkell, my good man from Passive Automation, has really rung this true to me that this is something I need to be doing, is adding a bridge page. So before they get to this page, it's like, hey guys, Scott Anderson here, sign up, or not even that, just like enter your email address to get this offer. And then from there, it's like maybe another page, or it could take you straight to this, but you can have another page where it's YouTube videos like, hey guys, Scott Anderson here, here's my testimonial of this awesome product, check it out now, go there. Okay guys, so here is how you can generate an awesome machine that's going to repin all of your pins for you so that way you don't have to do any more work. You just create those pins, those offers that I just did, step 1, 2, 3, find the offer, create a cool looking pin, put it on Pinterest, okay? Now we go to Tailwind, tailwind.com, we log in. There's a few things I want to say. So there are tribes, and then there's scheduled pins. So it's super cool because you can schedule pins. So I have all these scheduled right here. You create them right here, so then I don't have to touch them. Another awesome thing is called Smart Loop. If you do a Smart Loop, it essentially takes all of your pins that you want and puts them in the ideal specific times, which is all over here. And so literally all the work is done. So the next, I don't know how many days and months, things are going to be already scheduled out for me. So super cool right there. So that's where all of my followers and anybody searching can find my pins right there. The next thing I want to talk about are tribes. Tribes are groups, and they are there to essentially help each other in promoting each other's stuff. So I'm a part of this tribe right here, blogging as a business. I can add a pin right into here where other people can then repin it. These are pins from other people in the group that I can pin. So Super Affiliate System, John Cristani. See, that's somebody else promoting a product from ClickBank. So cool. So I can re-promote that. And you definitely should help repin other people's pins, or else you'll get kicked out of the tribe. How I became a blogger, a 6-figure blogger. Okay, that's very relevant to my group. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to blogging tips, and then also passive income ideas. So now it's going to show up on those 2 different boards. I'm going to add to queue. Boom, done. I'm gonna now share those pins at another time for my audience, and that person's happy. 10 ways to make money blogging. Okay, let's do make money online, make money from home, and make money online. Okay, it's another one. Add to queue. Done. Those people are happy. This guy's promoting Longtail Pro. Very smart. I'm going to promote it. Why not? Let's see. Blogging tips. Yeah, blogging tips. Add to queue. Okay. That's that. Now I'm going to show you how to follow and get more followers on Pinterest. I'm going to show you how I follow people. I like it on the mobile device. Makes it easy. Check out. Looks like 14 people just followed me. Let's go over here to followers. Yeah, so I've gained about 15 followers in the last few hours. All right, so I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go to people, and I'm going to, let's do this jet setter. This looks good. So I'm going to go here, and they have almost 4 million viewers, guys. Pinterest is just amazing. Get so much traffic. So I'm going to go here to following. I like to do the following because these are usually more legit people. You can go to followers, and this works, but I like following. Doesn't seem as spammy, but I literally put 2 thumbs right here. So sometimes that glitch happens, but I can follow as many people as I want. I think that they limit it, so it'd probably be a good idea just to do like 50 or 100 at a time, but just go through like this, and that's how you add people, and then they'll just add you back. That's how I've been able to almost get 1,000 followers less than a week. So I plan to do this, I don't know, just take 10 minutes out of your day for the next few days, or a half hour. But I would suggest doing like 10 minutes and then come back an hour later and then do another 10. And then maybe when you go to bed, do 10. Maybe just, I don't know, 1 or 2 times throughout the day, because if you follow too many people at once, then you actually don't follow them. So then you're just wasting your time. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, you guys, that is the end of this video. So little recap here. Find the product on ClickBank. Create a design in Canva, then publish on Pinterest. That's all you need to do. 3 easy steps. You can literally get it done in 10, 20 minutes. That's it. Yes, if you want to make it a little bit better, add a funnel, add a follow-up sequence, even better. You can add it to a blog, yada, yada. But guys, this video was all about it being simple, okay? And so if you can implement those 3 easy steps, you can literally create offers like all day, or, create 5 a day, add it to the tailwind, and bada bing, bada boom. You have all these offers going all over Pinterest. As you can see, I'm very passionate about it, but it seems like this is a winning strategy. So guys, I'll keep you posted with my results. And guys, if you found this video valuable, please smash that like button and comment below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.